Hey, buonasera everybody. It's hot here in Venice. I'm staying with a girlfriend of mine, the artist Stacy Gibboni. She's a very, very talented artist. You can see one of her paintings right there. You should buy her paintings, stacygibboni.com. She's amazing. But I wanted to just show you that here in Italy, you can cook for almost nothing. The things we consider to be luxury items are basically a human right here. So I just wanted to show you what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. So far we've got Prosecco. We've got a lovely bottle of Prosecco that was probably about $5, delicious. And of course we're in the Veneto, so plentiful. A nice piece of rustic bread. I've got some wonderful olives that are marinated. We've got fresh melon, and I put together the platter here of figs, prosciutto San Daniele, and cantaloupe, so that's going to be one of our courses tonight. We have the cheese course, which we started last night. I put together a little cheese platter. My kids love cheese. So we've got Asiago, which is local to the Veneto. We've got Stracchino. We've got mozzarella di bufala, which is kind of expensive, but really worth it. It's buffalo milk mozzarella. And my favorite, this is gorgonzola. And you can get gorgonzola in dolce or picante, spicy or sweet. So this is picante, which I like a little better. We've got a nice little bottle of local Venetian red wine to go with our meal once we get there. And over on the stove, I've just created sort of a leftovers meal. We had a nice picnic style meal last night. I've got the pasta boiling. And here in the sauce, I have going cherry tomatoes. Actually, they're grape tomatoes. I bought some greens at the store, and I bought that were already pre-cooked. And I didn't eat all of them, so I'm mixing them in here. I've got some polpette or meatballs that we didn't finish last night, so I've chopped them up and made them a part of the sauce. I've got some pancetta, and I've got some garlic. And basically it's just a leftovers sauce, which is a really smart way that Italians cook in general. They cook with leftovers. So this is just sort of all the leftovers that I piled into the pan with some tomato sauce. And I've got my pasta going here. It's almost ready. It's a mezze penne. You've got to cook it exactly 11 minutes. You don't want to go any further than that. And that's going to be our dinner tonight, just sort of a leftovers dinner. And for 2 nights, we've been feeding 4 people, and I spent 70 euros on groceries, and we have had 2 wonderful meals plus lunch today. I bought some fruit. So getting a place to cook and doing cooking on your own is great. Some of these great ingredients, like this is fantastic olive oil. It cost me hardly anything. It was 3 euros for this bottle. So this and some lovely bread. It's such a wonderful thing. This is what I love about Italy, is that food really is a human right here. We think that, nice prosciutto is something for fancy people, but here in the Veneto, it's for everybody. So this is one of the great pleasures of being here in Italy. Oh, the coffee, by the way. This is my hot tip for you. Good coffee in Italy, this costs 3 euros. And this at home would cost you probably $15. So load up on the good coffee when you come here to Italy. I line the bottom of my suitcase with it because it is so well worth it. So it's dinner time here in Venice. I think the pasta's ready. I don't want to overcook it. It has to be al dente, not kind of oogy and soft like we have in the US, but just a little tough. That's the perfect way. So I cook it exactly as it says on the box, 11 minutes. So I have to go drain it, so I have to go. But I want to wish you guys a buona serata. I wish you a happy evening, and I think it's time for dinner. So buona cena. Mangiamo. Ciao, ciao, ciao.